Don't miss this 1999 Toyota Camry. Is equipped with automatic transmission and features a white exterior. With 127,375 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.